Today we will take a look at G12 and start printing models after replacing PETG pellets. Before printing starts, we need to clean up the excess granular materials in the original machine. Open the oblique material leakage baffle above the printing nozzle, and clean up the excess granular materials in the material tube. During the cleaning process, the machine needs to be fed several times. Program until the particulate material in the barrel of the machine is cleared. After the cleaning is completed, re-add the PETG granular material needed to print the model in the material barrel. Click the nozzle to add material, let the machine send the PETG granular material in the material barrel to the nozzle, and then heat the printing nozzle. Extrude and print the other materials remaining in the nozzle until all the extruded materials become PETG materials, and the material change is completed here. After changing the printing material, you need to let the machine perform an automatic leveling procedure first. Then you need to brush the platform glue on the printing platform, and finally select the model data file that has been sliced on the operation screen, set the Z-axis compensation, and start print. The material used for printing is PETG granules. PETG granules are environmentally friendly, transparent plastics, odorless, and harmless to the human body. Its molecular structure is an amorphous copolyester. It has both the gloss of PLA and has the strength of ABS. It has very good toughness, high hardness, strong impact resistance and corrosion resistance, can withstand most organic solvents, has good weather resistance, and has excellent anti-ultraviolet effect. When printing the model, the output is smooth, and it is not easy to block the printing nozzle. The printed product has high gloss, high strength, smooth surface, transparent effect, and the light transmittance can reach 90%, and the product is not easy to break.